Sorry, didn't see you there. Pardon me. I was just doing a little flying. Welcome to Aviation and Aerospace. My name is Mr. Gordon and I am your teacher, and I'm excited that you're in this class because this is going to be an adventure. Why? Well, one reason, I've never taught this class before. This class has never been offered at Monarch before, so this is an exciting opportunity to get to know the worlds of aviation and aerospace. So what the heck is this class going to be? Well, hopefully it's going to be the first of a sequence of classes you'll be able to take to learn more about aviation and hopefully specifically about unmanned aerial systems, which we call drones, as you move your way through Monarch High School. This is a career and technical pathway, I should say, that would provide you with career opportunities in the worlds of aviation and aerospace. Don't want to go into that? No worries. It'll just be an interesting class anyway. We are going to look at aviation across the board, everything from hot air balloons to gliders to planes to drones, and just try to understand the engineering principles behind it, along with a little bit of an overview of how aviation works and the history of aviation. So it's a very hands-on class. We'll be doing a lot of projects, we'll be putting a lot of things together, and we'll be seeing what we can learn. So I hope you're as excited as I am. Couple of important notes. What do you need for this class? Not too much, but specifically, I would like you to have a notebook, one notebook that is dedicated to this class. Or if you're a binder person, a section of a binder is fine, but I want one place where all notes can go so that they are all together for this class. You also will need your Chromebook or computer and charger every day. We will not use it every day, but every day you should have it so that you have it available as we need. Everything else most likely will be provided for you. If not, I'll let you know. Parents, I want to talk to you guys specifically for a moment. One thing I do ask of you is that you fill out the syllabus and safety acknowledgement, just acknowledging that you are aware that there are some potential safety hazards, that you are aware of your students' responsibility to be paying attention to those hazards and mitigating them as best as possible, and also that you're just aware of what this class is. And then I'd also like to concentrate on the topic of attendance for a moment. The biggest reason that students fail or struggle in this school is attendance. Simply not being here is the biggest reason. And I certainly know in this era of COVID, we want to do our best to not come to school when we are truly sick, but it is also important that we keep school a priority. Students will struggle when they are not in school consistently. So please keep attendance first and foremost in mind. Also, a couple of things to note. We will be requiring masks. Masks must be worn over the nose and mouth, just like if you were getting an oxygen mask on an airplane. They must be kept over the nose and mouth at all times indoors, unless you are eating and spaced apart, which will not occur in the classroom. And the other thing is that cell phones will be stored. These are slots for student cell phones. Cell phones will be stored and will not be in students' hands or on students' bodies or in their backpacks during the class period. They are not to be used unless specifically authorized by me for a specific purpose, which is a rare occurrence. So they should be in one of these slots. They should be away. Students are responsible for what happens to their own phones. It is not on us as the school to worry about your phone. So if you're not comfortable with your student bringing their phone to school, simply don't have them do it. Please, I also ask parents and guardians that you, instead of using the cell phone that your student has, if you need to get a hold of your student, immediately call the front desk of the school, and they will run a note up to us very quickly. That will really help your student and the other students around them focus on their learning as much as possible. So I hope those rules are clear. I will go over them more. And I just want to extend a special welcome to the freshmen in this class, the 9th graders. Welcome to Monarch High School, Skoyotes. We are excited to have you. I know it may be nerve-wracking to be coming into the school for the first time. It's a big high school. And you also had a very weird and unusual experience last year. We all did. But know that many of us are here to welcome you, to provide you with an environment that is exciting and safe and comfortable for you to learn in. As always, I say if you have a question, fastest and easiest way to get a hold of me is to email me, eric.gordon@bvsd.org. Anytime, just shoot me an email and I'll get back to you, or I'm happy to schedule a phone conversation or other things. And I'm looking forward to working with you this year. Bye.